Hey, what's up YouTube? So back again here with another jailbreak update video, but this time I'm gonna be talking about something which is gonna be different. Some major stuff is gonna be happening in the past few days, talking about the iOS 11.3.1 jailbreak. So that is gonna be possible and it's gonna be came in the next few days. Cool, let's start talking about that. Some other developers they talking about that, and a lot of information. I'm gonna be share that information with you guys in today's video. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna be jumping talking about the Beer, which is gonna be a researcher, and he's been on the jailbreak community from a long time ago. He's working with a lot of exploit, so he's already tweeted out and he talking about he's gonna be release a kernel. After that, the main Spark is already tweeted out and he make a sketch here about the Beer kernel exploit when it's gonna be released for the iOS 11.3.1. He make some stuff here that if to showing you guys if everything is gonna be work, and to show the other developers how is that gonna be work once Beer is gonna be released his kernel exploit. And then after that, when main Spark is talking about that sketch here, which is the one that I showed you guys, talking about the 11.3.1 Beer kernel exploit when it's going to be released. One of the developers working on the Electra team, he already tweeted out and he says in his tweet, this is what we're looking for and this is what we need for Electra. So definitely the Electra will be receive a change, will be get update, and is going to be work with the iOS 11.3.1. Okay, so now if we jump and talk about which firmware is still available, and you might see right now, and most of you guys know, iOS 11.4 already has been released from Apple. That's mean 11.3.1 is no longer will be signed in. So if you want, after you watch that video, go ahead right now and downgrade. If you already update your device on iOS 11.4, you can downgrade right now as far as Apple is still signing in that firmware, because it's not going to be take more than that long time right now. Now, if you are already on the iOS 11.2, for example, up to iOS 11.2.6, 2.5, and the 11.3, you good to go, because Coolstar has already confirmed that, the Electra confirmed that, and you good to go. You don't need to update your device. For those who already on iOS 11 up to iOS 11.1.2 and they already jailbroken, I don't think so they need to update their devices if you are already jailbroken. But that point why everybody talking about the 11.3.1 and why you should update, so because the 11.3.1 it's a new firmware, can be receive a lot of stuff and it has a lot of features on it, so that's why most the developers they talking about the 11.3.1. If you don't want that, then just go ahead and save your blobs. So most of the things that I'm talking about in today's video is going to be all about the 11.3.1. I know it's going to be pretty much complicated for most of you guys, but this is how it's going to be work for the iOS 11.3.1. So this is the main thing about how is the situation about the jailbreak on the 11.3.1, and this is the main thing about the Electra. And then as I told you guys, everything is gonna be stable. If you stay on the iOS 11 and you already jailbroken, you don't need to upgrade to iOS 11.3.1. If you already update to iOS 11.4, go ahead right now after you watch that video, downgrade your device. Or you can save your SSH blobs in order to downgrade in the near future if you want to stay on the iOS 11.3.1 and to jailbreak your device. So this is the most thing that I have for you guys. I will be making sure if I have any kind of more information in the near future, I will be share that information with you guys and post another video. This is Danny from Dude Tech. Catch you guys with the next one. Peace.